Let's get to it. Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. We back. We chilling. You should get your account today. Anyone that won one of the giveaways, your account should land at some point today. Okay, I repeat, your account should land at some point today. But other than that, we are back in motion. We are back in the building. I hope everybody had a good week. We're going to do some recapping on the week. The main setup I had was Euro USD, which failed, by the way, guys. Euro USD failed. So I'm going to go share the screen. I'm looking at it on Sway Charts. Sway Charts is what I'm looking at it on. Make sure you guys like the stream. We got some big news coming up very, very soon. Make sure you like the stream. And yeah, so for giveaways, create an account there and leave the rest to me to pick a winner. All right. So I'm going to pin the message. I'm going to pin. Can I pin the message? Okay, the message has now been pinned. That's the giveaway link for y'all. Let's proceed and take a look at the charts. So right now we've got Sway funded. We're looking at Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so we have it on the 1 hour time frame, guys, right? That's what we have it on right now. I will say this was our initial setup, guys. As you can see, price came to our zone, it respected it, then from that point it disrespected it, and now we are bearish. Like, it came to the bottom peak of our zone, we got a rejection, boom, we came back up, floating some profits if you took it, then it just went down. Then now it's made a lower low, lower high, and we're pushing towards the downside. So let's take a look at it on TradingView first so we can get a better, cleaner understanding of what really happened with Euro USD. So I'm looking at it here on the daily point of view, right? So let me just zoom out completely so you guys can see the overall direction of this. I think I have to go to weekly so you guys can see it better. So yeah, on the weekly time frame, guys, we are clearly in a downtrend. We've got 1, 2, and we were approaching number 3, but we weren't quite there yet at number 3. So that's why I was expecting price to kind of buy. Okay. So now let's go into daily time frame real quick. I didn't take this trade. I didn't even trade Euro USD, man. This is just a setup I was analyzing on the charts, you know, for stream purposes and that. So I'm only just after realizing this here, that we did have a zone of resistance, which we did not take. We did not even go near that zone of resistance. So next things next, I went to the line chart. So I could see here on the line chart that we did make a new structure. So we had a break of structure right here on the daily time frame, break of structure. If I draw my fib from the low to the high, I was expecting price to, you know, retrace correctively so we can push and hit our minus 27, which lines up with our zone so we can sell to the downside. Okay, so now let's take it to the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, guys, it was very easy to see that we had a push towards the upside. This was the initial break of structure. We had a daily break of structure. We had a 4-hour break of structure. So yeah, I then noticed that this is a nice wicked zone, as you can see from here to here. So at any moment when price comes to that wicked zone, we can strike. So we would have had our long position somewhere like this. And our target would have been up here. Okay, nice 1 is to 4. So now if you go into the 1-hour time frame, we're trying to get a more precise entry on that wicked zone, which would have been something like this. So could have actually made the stop loss a little bit smaller, maybe like 15 pips. Overall, this trade did run about nearly 2% profit before we got taken out. Does that make sense for you guys? Does that make sense at all? Are you guys with me? Are you guys against me? What's the word? So now we can see we're making a downtrend. Boom, impulse, correction, impulse. Now we can see price is making lower lows and lower highs. So the question is, if we are bearish now, where are we going to be bearish to? Well, the answer is simple. We're most likely going to sell to somewhere down here. If we are going to sell, we're most likely going to sell to maybe this zone right here. So if you go on the 4-hour time frame, this is a nice zone that needs to be retested. So at some point, maybe next week, we've got a big week ahead. Next week, NFP, we might have something like this. But the target is bearish now. You get me? The target is bearish. So now we can even go to 30 minutes. And on the 30 minutes, there was a nice break and retest. Look how clean this looks on the 30 minutes. At roughly 3 o'clock, we had a nice boom, boom. Now price is pushing P to the downside. Yeah, that way. So yeah, that's that. And right now she is selling. So my next question is, what would you guys like to look at? What would you guys like to look at? What would you like to break down? There was two trades we actually sent out today to the members. We sent out two trades to the members. We sent out a trade on GJ to sell. Sell limit at 191,200 was the sell limit. 191,200, right? Let me show you what I don't like about the market sometimes, right? I'll show you something. Let's go to GJ. Okay. So, where are we? 191,200. So this was the trade, right? On GJ. It was a nice quick in and out, 1:1, right? So this was sent out at 14:07. 14:07. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame so you guys can see why I hate the markets sometimes, yeah? So 14:07 was here. At this red line was 14:07, so it was a sell limit. So we were expecting price to come up, come back down, right? However, we get tagged into the trade over here. Once we got tagged in, we went risk free at 0.5%, as you can see from the message. You can either lock your profits in or go risk free. So I actually locked profits in once we were running 0.5%, right? Immediately after that, guys, price reverses. It kisses our stop loss by 1 pip, by a fraction of a pip, and then it plummets. It literally plummets straight to our original take profit. You can't make this up. So that's why, guys, when it comes to trading, sometimes timing really means everything. Like, I don't know how much more I need to stress it, but timing means everything in trading. So, like, right now is a good time to go and buy GBP JPY. I'm just saying. Right now is a great time. Take the hint, guys. Right now is a great time to buy GBP JPY. Because check it out right now. This was just rejection. After that, we can now see prices pushing P to the upside. We had like an inverse head and shoulder. Now we're making higher highs and higher lows. So if I go to the 1 hour time frame, basically what's going on here is very simple. We have a break and we have a retest. All this was just rejection. All of that was just rejection. So I'm going to quickly open JPY basket. I'm going to quickly open up the JPY. It never loads, man. So yeah, let's open up JPY basket. So right now I'm looking at JPY basket on the 1 hour time frame. So price is currently bearish. When we came here, we were bullish slightly, but we closed below here. So as you can see, we retested and closed below here. That's number one. Number two, we retested and we're here. And the last thing I will say is price is most likely coming here. Okay, price is most likely coming here. So now if we go to 15-minute time frame, we should see lower lows and lower highs being formed. So at this moment in time, price is bullish. We got a retest here. So there is a high chance. When I say high chance, I really do mean high chance. We're selling the market to this point. Boom. So we did have news today, which is why that happened. So we had news earlier on. So retest was at 130. At 130, price sold. Then here you can see 130. So like right now, this is an easy setup right now, guys. Price is clearly buying. If I go to 5-minute time frame, you see, while I was explaining all this, literally, boom, boom. Now we're pushing P. So obviously, I will actually have a buy stop here. The markets, it is Fridays. We've already done our trades for the week, but I would have a buy stop right here because everything is in our favor. I would have a buy stop at that round number. Then we just be patient because I can see here all the sources are telling us it's a strong buy. So yeah. Then another thing we do is once a trade is 0.5% profit, we set an alert. And once we get that alert, we have an option to either go risk-free or lock in the profits so we don't lose. Yeah, it's a liquidity zone on JPY basket. So yeah. So now we just play the waiting game. All we got to do is wait patiently, because patience is a virtue. This is only for GJ. GJ, I cannot tell you my secrets. I mean, it could be a 1 is to 1 that turns into a 1 is to 10, or a 1 is to 1 that turns into a 1 is to 3, or a 1 is to 1 that turns into something. You know? Go watch the streams. Go watch the other streams. But ideally, my risk to reward is 1 is to 3. But with GJ, I use a different strategy to answer your question. GJ gets a different strategy. When I'm trading US 30, it's simple. 1 is to 3 only. But I don't share any US 30 signals or anything like that. Reason being, people are just, I don't want to say incompetent, right? But people are so effing lazy. Like, you can send in a signal for US 30, then they'll ask you, how do you calculate a lot size for US 30? You know, it is, we're not living in the Stone Age anymore, guys. Like, Google has the answers. You can literally just type in US 30 lot size calculator. But then again, people are just lazy, is what I'm trying to say. So I don't bother sending any US 30 signals because, yeah. So right now, as it speaks, this is bearish. This is quite bearish. Question is, where are we going to? We're most likely coming down here. And we're pushing P as we speak. So, yeah, that way. How do I drop this thing twice, man? Let's go, let's go. But I do not advise trading on a Friday this late, guys. It's literally 5:30, man. There's no point trading this late on a Friday, guys. I repeat, there is no point trading this late on a Friday. Everything I'm explaining on this stream, because it's Friday, is just pure education. Nothing more, nothing less. All right? Just pure education, guys. The purest. So with this one, the one thing I don't like that's happening at this moment in time is the fact that GJ and US 30 actually correlate. So if one is selling and the other is buying, I don't like it. I really don't like it. It kind of throws me off big time. It throws me off big time. So yeah. I lost two accounts on Friday. Damn. Sorry, man. Take a look at that now. So US 30 is pushing. I cannot tell you if it often happens this way with US 30, man. You need to figure it out yourself. Not everything you're gonna get a straight cut answer. We do not do laziness, brother. Trust me. So maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, to answer your question. I cannot tell you one thing and price your US 30 can do a whole nother thing. You need to figure it out yourself and you need to understand what's going on the screen. You get me? Because there's no point. Like, the reason why I'm saying that, right, is because I put in so much hours into looking at US 30. So you wouldn't really know what I've seen when it comes to that. Our brains work differently and they understand things differently. So when I'm looking at the screen right now, this means everything I see on the screen makes so much sense because I made that for my brain to understand, if you get me. And I can't explain that on a stream on YouTube for you, unfortunately. However, right, you need to sit down tomorrow after this stream, open up US 30 and figure it out for yourself. Do you get me? Yeah, so you need to figure it out for yourself, brother. Not everything gets handed out like that. I heard you always use one to one. I don't know what you're hearing, brother. I don't know what you're hearing. I don't know what you're hearing, man, because look at this. Does that look like a one to one to you, man? No, it's not a one to one, brother. Education is you putting the work in and journaling also so you can figure things out. Facts. You gotta figure it out for yourself with everything you do in life, guys. You can't let other people figure shit out for you. So this is en route to take profit town. And GJ, I haven't heard any alerts from GJ just yet, so it's not looking good on that side of things because this is selling, which means GJ should sell, but usually they move in unison. Usually. Not all the time though, but usually. This would have already been risk free, by the way. This trade would have already been risk free, by the way. Because it's already floating. This is pure education, guys. Pure education. Got some big news coming up next week for y'all. So make sure you guys are in the Discord and all that good stuff when it comes to Sway and my Flash funding. Are we gonna watch this hit TP? We'll add an alert on TP. Alright? Add an alert on TP. So for the giveaway, which we're gonna do in about 10 15 minutes, there's a link that's pinned to this stream. Click on the link on the stream, create your Sway funded account, and that's how you enter the giveaway. It's so simple. It is so simple to enter the giveaway. But yeah, that's all you gotta do. I am so tired, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. But the grind don't stop. You get me? The grind does not stop. So make sure you click on that link that's pinned to the message. Create your account, and you're one step closer to winning a free 1000 account. Neji, that's a you problem. That is a you problem. Because take a look at this, right? I'm going to play the volume on this stream because I'm watching it on my phone. Because a lot of people always say the sound is low, this is that. No. Listen, watch this. A lot of people always say the sound is low, this is that. No. Listen, watch this. That sounds crystal clear to me, brother. Crystal clear. Fix your audio. It would have been different if there was like comment after comment after comment talking about low sound, but trust me. Usually the only issue is sometimes the stream lags. I won't lie. Sometimes the stream does lag, but that's out of my control. I can't control the bandwidth and all of that, you know. But what I can control is trying to control the stream, making sure everything is, you know, Gucci. Everything's certified. Certified. Sound clarity is not the issue. No, brother, you're the issue. You're the only one complaining about it. Think about it. I literally just played it and it was beautiful. It was it was so amazing to hear my voice again. Joking, it wasn't. I hate hearing my voice. But yeah. it's a you problem, brother. Like, I'm sorry to say it to you. Even Razabul said, just use your headphones. You get me? Just use your headphones, mate. And life is Gucci. Sorted. Okay? That's what I thought. That's what I thought, Neji. But yeah, guys, that's that. So I'm going to show you some things on Sway charts here. So this was our trades on Euro USD, which failed. It failed to respect. It literally failed to respect, and look at her go now. So she is most likely coming here to retest. This is where this is most likely going to for a nice, beautiful retest. But I'm not. What I'm gonna say is, I'm not gonna marry the bias of looking for buys because sales are happening right in my face, guys. Yeah, there's literally sales happening right in my face, and I'm not doing anything about it. So, for example, if I see, if I see if I see price come back here, then we can take some sales. This is a demonstration account, guys. Don't pay attention to the numbers. This is just demo. So you guys can see it's pure education. Anyway, you're paying attention to the wrong thing regardless. I'm just saying. People love numbers way too much, fam. Do you know how much gems I've dropped? And you cared about a demo account here for demonstration being on daily drawdown. These are just numbers. It's literally just a random account that I have. It's literally just a random ass account. It's a random. The day is catching up with me, guys. The day is catching up. But nevertheless, we always keep it moving. We keep it moving and we keep it pushing, guys. We had a 5 a.m. start today, guys. Literally 5 a.m. start. Right now it's 5:45, but it feels like it's midnight for me, man. It feels like midnight. No word of a lie. It feels like it's midnight. Midnight blues right now. So let's give it a few more minutes. And then we do the giveaway. Right. We will start to get into the giveaway, guys. All right. We're going to start to get into the giveaway. All right. I'm going to stream until my eyes just close, guys. I'm so tired. But I'm blessed, right? Watch what you say. I'm tired in this current moment, but we're blessed. Okay? Don't forget that. Your tongue is powerful. Okay? So you guys know what to do in order to, you know, obtain and attain a 1,000 euro, a $1,000 account, guys. All right? You guys know what to do. After this, we're gonna rest for sure. It is Friday. Friday is the best day to rest, so we can make videos for YouTube and all that. You get me? New YouTube videos are coming. I'm gonna explain how we managed to get a payout on this prop firm here. What you guys gotta do. Instant payouts. Guys, I'm not lying to you when I say the payouts are instant. The second you hit submit, about 1 to 10 minutes max, you get an email from your Bitcoin address or whatever form of payment you chose. Payment has been received. Well, I couldn't believe it. I was like, this is the fastest payout I've ever received by any prop firm. And I'm not just saying that, guys. I'm literally telling you the truth. Right? Literally telling the truth right now. So, yeah, Sway Funded and My Flash Trading, they're onto something. And next week there's a big announcement, guys. So please make sure you tune in on the streams and make sure you're just paying attention, guys. You know, pay attention to the Discord. Make sure you join. Let me say it like this, yeah. In the description of this stream, there's about um 8 links, right? Make sure you click on click on every link you see, guys. I can't say too much, but click on every link. The social, the Instagram, the Twitter, Blake's Twitter, YouTube, my Instagram and my YouTube. Trust me. Trust me when I say this, guys. Literally, trust me when I say this. Big announcement happening, yeah? And I don't want you guys to miss out on this great opportunity. This is what happens when patience meets opportunity, right? Gotta comb the beard because it's giveaway time. Anyways, guys, for the giveaway, it's very simple. There is a link pinned to this chat. There is a link pinned to the chat. Once you have created your account, okay, I repeat, once you have created your account using that link, drop the number 1 in the chat. Simple. Just put number 1 in the chat. If you have followed the rules I've said, 1 into the chat. Make sure you create the account using that link because I can see if you did or if you didn't, by the way, guys. So I can see if you did or you did not. So don't drop one thinking you're smooth, because I see it all. We see it all. There's a whole database for all of this stuff, you know. So don't try it. My goal is for every single viewer in this stream to have an account. Whether that's to pass or fail, it's none of my business, but my goal is that every viewer at one point will have one in an account. So far, we've had 3. Today, let's make a 4. So I'm going to open up the database and pick a random winner. Yeah, that way. So we have YouTube Watch, we have Tony Gold, Afri Trade, Raju, and Neji. That's who we have right now. So now I'm going to log in and confirm the people posting ones. I'm going to see it all. So let's get to it. You can't cheat these giveaways, guys. You cannot cheat these giveaways. The giveaways cannot be cheated. You get me? So now I'm checking the database dashboard for the names that we're giving here. Okay, I have a winner. I have a winner. I feel like it's so easy to do these giveaways now. Like, all you gotta do is just hit that link. Once that link is done, boom, perfect. No time wasted. Oh, I just got an alert, baby. Let's go. Woo, my ears. Okay, so this is now buying. Which means GBP JPY has gone risk free, baby. You know how we do. What a great way to end the stream with a nice trade there on take profits. So now we've reached the point where it's starting to LAG. Woo! Look at GJ go. We had buy stops. If this thing loads, a booyaka shot. Bang. And we're about to hit take profits. We're about to hit take profits, baby. We're about to hit TP. So yeah. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. Take profit hit. Take profit hit. So now let's announce our winner for the giveaway, right? So today's winner is today's giveaway winner is Neji Hayuga. So Neji, I need you to text me on social media, either my Discord, my Telegram, or my Instagram. Yeah, text me on one of those, and we exchange details. So guys, I just want to let you guys know this. Yeah, once I have forwarded your information to the team, please stop bombarding me. Okay, I've done my part. The team has to do a whole process, procedure, check your email, check you are, who you say you are. It's not instant, guys. Understand that part. It's not an instant thing that the second I give your details, it's boom. So you have to wait a little bit, because don't forget, these accounts are free at the end of the day. Once I have got your details and I've given you the green light that it's been sent to the team, please, guys, understand. my work is done, right? And trust that you will get your account, all right? Anyways, have a good weekend and take care. And we'll see everybody on Monday for a new trading day, right? Peace. Only one winner per stream. One winner per stream. So Neji, please contact me on socials, yeah? If you don't, then yeah. Sorry about that. So yeah, peace out.